Hello, I'd like to reserve a hotel room. That should be no problem. May I have your full name, please? My name is John Sandals. Hello, Mr. Sandals. My name is Michelle. What days do you need that reservation, sir? I'm planning to visit New York from Friday, April 14th until Monday, April 17th. Our room rates recently went up. Is that okay with you, Mr. Sandals? How much per night are we talking about? Each night will be $308. That price is perfectly acceptable. Wonderful. Do you prefer a smoking or non-smoking room? Non-smoking, please. Next question. Is a queen size bed okay? That sounds fine. Okay, Mr. Sandals, your reservation is in our computer. All we need now is a phone number. Certainly. My phone number is 626-555-1739. Thank you, Mr. Sandals. We look forward to seeing you in New York.